How to teach people to treat you right. The way people treat you not only affects your health but also your self esteem. You feel less valued and feel like whatever you are doing, the whole universe is against you. Whatever you have accomplished so far doesn't matter. Now, how do you tell someone to treat you better when you are not sure by yourself that you deserve it or not? To begin with, remember this: you have already taught others how to treat you. Now you need to figure it out what you can do to teach them differently. But before all this, you need to understand that you deserve to be treated with value and respect. You may not feel that you do because how others have treated you throughout your life. You don't deserve to be mistreated. Teaching people to treat you better, that doesn't mean that you are demanding how they cater and behave how you want and never disagree with you. It's about having a balance of give and take in the relationship. Here I'm talking about when someone is not giving you the respect and courtesy that you deserve. Now let's look at what you can do to teach people how to treat you better. Model how you want to be treated. Model the behavior you desire. Identify what is acceptable and unacceptable to you, and how you are going to communicate that effectively to others. Know your values, know your worth. In many of my self-improvement videos, I have always emphasized on this part that you should know your worth, know your values. Remember, we need respect from others, but this is not something that you can demand from others. This is something that you earn while behaving consistently and respecting yourself, knowing your values. And it's all about without being arrogant or criticizing others. Know your worth, and it is very important that you do not accept disrespect from others. You don't need to tell people how to respect you. You show them with your behavior by modeling respect for yourself. And it is only possible when you know your value. Take a step against disrespect, but with dignity. It could be with your firm answer to the behavior, or it could be just walking away from the situation with dignity. But you have to show that rejection of the disrespect towards you. When you value yourself, people start valuing you. So treat yourself well. Remember, you teach others how to treat you by how you treat yourself. Your outer appearance, how you carry yourself, how you speak about yourself, send a strong message to others about how you expect to be treated. People notice when you are not taking care of yourself. And what you are portraying by all this is that you don't care enough about yourself, you don't respect yourself, and you don't think that you deserve all the time and energy what they have to put into you. And all those things are not that important because you don't think you deserve them. So by taking care of yourself, make sure you are sending the right message to others. Another part is consistency. Be consistent in your behavior. It should not be on and off, like one day you are behaving the other way and the other day is completely different. You don't want to confuse people about your opinion. So you want to be consistent with your behavior. Set clear boundaries. Remember, boundaries are not to restrict but to set free. It's about healthy relationship and a mutual respect. So you want to establish clear and reasonable boundaries for yourself. Most of the time, disrespect happens when you just go along with other people's decision and you don't have your own opinion. It also happens when you are hesitant to say no. So learn to say no without any apology, justification, or any explanation. Be firm in your opinion. So learn to respect your boundaries and personal needs to teach other people to do so. But also remember that some people will not learn how to treat you, doesn't matter what you do. So forgive yourself, forgive others, Holding grudges is like picking on your wounds and never letting them heal. You are not responsible for fixing everyone. Life is too short to keep grudges. So forgive and move on. And don't forget to reward behavior you like. So acknowledge and express gratitude. It will encourage others to respect you. Remember, respect is not something that you can demand, it is something that you can earn with your own behavior. The only way you can teach others how to treat you is all about how you think about yourself and how you treat yourself. Hope you enjoyed today's video on how you teach people to treat you better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more videos like this to bring out the best in you.